In this video, I am going to show you how to sort raw data. We are going to sort this data from smallest to largest or ascending. So what I need to do is highlight the data. So that means I simply left click, hold, and copy. So left click, hold, and drag. And now I go to the data option and to sort. And A to Z is when you sort smallest to largest. And all I do is click, and immediately you see the data is sorted so that the first one is the minimum value, and the last value down here in line 41 is our maximum value. So that's how you can quickly sort a data list in Excel.